What if I told you that climbing stairs could feel as easy as it did in your 30s? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the exciting part. With just 3 simple exercises, you can regain that youthful strength and confidence when tackling stairs, even if you're over 60. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a small but powerful trick that's been a game changer for reducing knee and hip pain. One that's helped countless people make stair climbing pain-free and smooth again. Here are the only 3 exercises you need to climb stairs with ease. Exercise number 1, the slow sit and stand. It is a powerful exercise that works your quads and hips. It works only on these 2 important muscle groups which are responsible for going up and down stairs. Let's quickly learn how to do this exercise. To get started, sit down in a stable chair with your feet about shoulder width apart. Move your feet back a little behind your knees and scoot to the edge of the chair. Now, hold your arms out in front of you for balance if you feel more sure of yourself. If you need extra help, you can push off with the arms or the seat. Stand up using your glutes and legs together, and push yourself up until you're standing straight. Once you're standing, slowly lower yourself back down, targeting those muscles. To get it right, rise quickly and fall slowly. This is called slow sit and stand. This method quickly builds muscle mass and power, helping you climb stairs easily. Do this 2 to 3 times a day and try to get 10 reps each time. Every full sit, stand, and sit count as 1 rep. A common mistake I see people making is, many people mess up when they use faster momentum to get up and down while doing this exercise. This is like cheating because it doesn't help your muscles get stronger. Instead, try to move slowly and with awareness, targeting those important muscles getting up and down while doing each repetition. Doing exercise with this method only can help you get up and down stairs easily. Exercise number 2, the lateral step-up. This practice works the gluteus medius, a muscle that helps keep your hips stable and keeps you from falling. Curious to know how to do it? Let's learn. Find a step or a stepper that is about 4 inches high. You can even use the bottom step of your stairs. Please remember that the typical size of a stair step is around 8 inches. It's recommended that you start with a smaller step and gradually increase its height as you get stronger. To begin, put 1 foot on the step using support if needed. Bring the other foot up to meet the first one as you lift your body. Now step down 1 foot sideways and step back up. Please remember the foot that is up on the step needs to be close to the middle so there is a little space for the other foot. Your foot does not need to be on the edges or close to the corner of the step. Your goal should be to do 10 to 20 reps on each side without much pain. Don't forget that it's okay to get help while doing this exercise as you get stronger and more balanced. One common mistake I see is that many people bend too far to one side, as it can make you lose your balance. Now that we've strengthened the 3 main muscles for climbing stairs, the quads, glutes, and side glutes. Now I'll show you one exercise to help you go down the stairs without any pain. Number 3, the step down with weight exercise. A great exercise that was based on a new study that came out in 2022. This exercise is not only easy, but it also works really well to stop muscle loss that comes with age over 50. I will try to explain this exercise as easily as possible. To get started, you can use home stairs for this exercise. Stand on a step with both feet on it. Lower 1 foot slowly to the ground, letting your body weight move forward a little. Let me make things more clear to you. Place your both feet on the step and lower 1 foot slowly to the floor. Once you place your foot on the floor, put your body weight a little on that foot, then carefully pick your foot back on the step. 10 to 20 reps on each leg should be your goal. Here's a bonus tip for this exercise. To work extra on these muscles, you can simply add weight, like a 10 to 15 pound dumbbell or a weighted belt. This method uses a technique called eccentric strengthening, which means stretching your muscles while they are under stress. Focus on working out your side hips, quads, and glutes while you do this move. To avoid strain or damage, keep your knee straight and aligned with your foot. Aim for 10 to 20 repetitions on each side. This is the most important exercise for stair climbing because it closely mimics the movement. It's also a great way to quickly strengthen the right muscles. Now that you have learned these 3 important movements, I'll tell you a secret that has helped many people walk up and down stairs without pain, even after having surgery on their legs. When going up or down stairs, many people make the following mistakes. 1. Going up by using the wall to help them. 2. Putting all of their weight on one leg. When you pull yourself up or push straight up, your body weight moves behind the step you're trying to climb. This makes it harder and makes it more likely that you will fall. Instead, lean forward through your hips a little as you take a step. Putting your weight on your toes and the step makes it easier and safer to climb. It also uses gravity to help your muscles, which makes the climb easier and less painful. Try climbing stairs this way and let me know the difference you feel. Don't keep this method to yourself once you've tried it. Tell your friends and family about it. They'll be thankful for their improved ability to climb stairs. Share your stories in the comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for upcoming full of value videos like this. Let's grow Beast Squad together. Always stay healthy and strong.